Right-click from mouse. Hover to New. Then click on Folder. Give this folder a name HTML course. Open this folder. This folder is empty. Click on Start button. Type Notepad. I'll use Notepad++. Download and install it. Click on No. Close it. Also close this one. Go to File and click on New. The first tag is HTML tag. Go down. Make its ending tag by /HTML. First is starting tag and second is ending tag. Make another tag, angle bracket head, move down, angle bracket /head. Next tag is body tag, angle bracket body, move down and angle bracket /body. Click on any tag, the corresponding ending tag will be highlighted. Now click on File, then click on Save. Give this file a name. Type double quotations from keyboard. Inside double quotation, write myfirstpage.html. Click on Desktop. Then double-click HTML course folder. Then save. Then open the folder placed on desktop. You will see My First Page file. Double-click to open it. Blank page is opened, showing myfirstpage.html name. Now, move back to Notepad++. Inside body tag, we'll create a new tag. Heading tag H1. Its closing tag /H1. Now inside these tags, we'll write. This is my first heading. Now click on File, and then click on Save. Click on Browser and click on Reload or Refresh. You will see heading content appeared here. Again go to Notepad++. Inside head tag, we'll create title tag. Ending tag /title. Inside these, we write My Page. Now, click on File and then on Save. Go to Browser. Note that myfirstpage.html is written. Reload the page now. My page is displayed by title tag. Here it is. This My Page is coming from this code. Change to test. Click on File and then save it. Now reload the page. Test appeared here. Subscribe for more videos.